Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to spray varnish something. So let's say I want to spray varnish this, which I'm just about to do. So this is how you do it. So to start off, spray varnishing, you need to shake it for a minute. Once you hear the ball, that little noise which you can hear, that's the little ball shaking around. So you shake that for 1 minute. I'll see you back after I've shaken this for 1 minute. And once you've shaken it, then you pop off this part. And when you start varnishing, you need to make sure your workplace is clean, and then you put it 25 centimeters away, so like up to here, and you start from here and you go across in white sweeps. You don't start on the piece of wood, you start outside the piece of wood and then go across. So let's do that. Okay, now you just let that set and you let that dry, and then you come back and sand it with really fine sandpaper, and then you varnish it again. So I'll see you back after that's dry. Okay, so after the first coat, then you sand it lightly with some very fine sandpaper. So I'm just using 220 right now, and I'm just going to sand it until it's nice and fine and smooth, and then I'm going to give it another varnish. Make sure after you sand it, you give it a wipe down with a tissue or some compressed air. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing which I literally just did, just this time be even more careful to get an even finish across the whole thing. So after that second coat, you can give it a really light sand, maybe 500 grit or even higher. So you want it to be even smoother. If you want to varnish it again, just keep repeating that process until you get the desired shine on it. So the things which, like some tips which I would like to give you when varnishing is just always remember to shake the bottle for the time which it says on it. So this one says 1 minute while you hear the little ball rattling. Because if you don't do that, it just won't really work very well. And just remember to start, so let's pretend this is a piece, remember to start on this side and then go across, because that way you don't get pools of it in the middle. Well, if you enjoyed this type of content, please consider subscribing and ring the notification button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!